If you live in Miami, you know how important first impressions are, especially when it comes to your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enhance your house's appearance, one of the most effective ways to boost your home's curb appeal is by replacing your front door. It's a detail that's often overlooked, but in a city known for vibrant aesthetics and tropical charm, your front door sets the tone for everything that follows. The power of first impression. Your front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. It's the first thing visitors notice and the last thing they see when they leave. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can instantly make your home look neglected, even if the rest of the property is immaculate. On the other hand, a sleek, stylish new door can elevate your home's facade, making it look modern, welcoming, and well-maintained. Miami's unique architectural landscape, from Spanish Revival to contemporary coastal designs, offers endless opportunities to make a bold statement with your entryway. A thoughtfully chosen door replacement can beautifully complement your home's style and increase its perceived value. Adapt to the Miami climate. Miami's subtropical climate comes with strong sun, high humidity, and hurricane season. A quality door replacement not only enhances looks but also improves durability and weather resistance. Older wooden doors may warp or crack over time due to moisture, while steel doors can rust if not treated properly. Modern door materials like fiberglass and impact-rated composite are built to handle Miami's environment. Upgrading to an impact-resistant door adds another layer of protection for your home, especially during hurricane season. These doors are engineered to withstand high winds and flying debris, giving you peace of mind while enhancing the home's overall structure and safety. Energy efficiency and comfort. In a hot climate like Miami's, energy efficiency is a key concern. Older doors may lack insulation or have poor sealing, leading to increased energy bills as your air conditioning works overtime. Newer door models often come with insulated cores and weather stripping that minimize air leaks and reduce heat transfer. By replacing your door, you not only improve your home's visual appeal but also increase energy efficiency, lower utility costs, and create a more comfortable indoor environment. Boosting property value. A high-quality door replacement is one of the best returns on investment when it comes to home improvements. According to real estate experts, homes with upgraded exterior features, including the front door, tend to sell faster and at higher prices. In Miami's competitive housing market, small touches like a bold new door color, stylish hardware, or glass inserts can set your home apart from similar properties. Whether you're aiming for a modern look with clean lines or a coastal vibe with pastel shades, your door can help define your home's character. Customization options to match Miami vibe. Miami is known for its diverse cultural flair and artistic personality. Fortunately, today's door replacements come in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes. Want a vibrant aqua blue door with frosted glass for a modern beach house look? Or perhaps a rich mahogany wood grain to complement a Spanish-style villa? The options are nearly endless. Adding decorative side lights, transoms, or smart locks can further elevate your door's functionality and curb appeal. Final thought. In a city as lively and colorful as Miami, your front door shouldn't be an afterthought. A door replacement is a simple but powerful upgrade that improves not just your home's appearance, but also its safety, efficiency, and market value. If you're looking to enhance your home's curb appeal, now is the perfect time to consider replacing your front door. With the right choice, you'll make a lasting impression every time someone walks up to your home.